So as you all know that like after 2 or 2.5 weeks it's Raksha Bandhan, and so this time I have decided to make handmade cards. So this time we won't be able to go outside and buy something, some gift or some present or a card for our siblings. And so I decided to make homemade cards, and I will show you all the designs. They aren't expensive because I know that people who buy from Archie's or Satyam Collection or from some other shops, the cards, the starting price starts actually at 150 or 200, and then they go up to 800, 900 also. So I decided to make like very crafty cards, but not so expensive and a little bit cheaper than the price that is outside. So, and mostly the cards which you get outside are printed. This time I have decided to make totally handmade cards, and I have done all the cutting from the top part, the inner matter, and everything is handmade. So I'll just show you the designs. So firstly I have this one. So every card has this Happy Raksha Bandhan tag on it, and it has these cute little butterflies which pop out. So my range is from around 80 to 120, and all the cards are in the same range, so nothing to worry about. And I have this one. So this is just a floral pattern, and then I've just added butterflies and some pearls. So I have made simple cards because you can give it to your siblings, you can give it to small kids, you can give it to elderly people from all ages, so that you don't have to buy different ones. They are just simple but elegant. Nextly I have this one. So actually I have cut all these hexagons and I've stuck everything, so it actually takes a lot of time. It's not easy work. Like I've almost taken 4 to 5 hours to make one card, and I just uploaded a video I think on last Sunday, and it's almost been a week because I was just making all this, so I'm doing a video today. Nextly I have this one. I've also put a plate of sweets and a rakhi and these butterflies. So this is a little bit different one because it opens up like this. The inner content can actually even be yours. I can just write the matter what you send me, or even I can write it on my own. So nextly I also like this one because it's a cute little brother sister character over here, and it says you are great and happy Raksha Bandhan. So since some brothers or sisters may not be staying together and they may be staying at different places, and you can't go to their place because of all this pandemic which is going on, so you can just share your love by giving them a card, a handmade card and a rakhi, and you can just post it. So your love will be sent over there. Again it says Happy Raksha Bandhan, and actually you can give it to your sisters or your brothers because I have not mentioned sister or brother. You can give it to anyone you like. Nextly I have this one. So this is similar one to the hexagon which I had made. So I have made this one, and this is a different one. This is more modern type of, and this is like traditional one. Nextly I have this card. So I've just added these pearls and all so that it looks more pretty. This is again a simple and a nice one. So everywhere you can see that most of the envelopes have all floral and butterfly designs because you can give it to everyone, and more probably because it's Raksha Bandhan you can't give like birthday cards or something. So I've made it more simpler, but it also says it's like Happy Raksha Bandhan, so you can give it to your siblings or anyone. And this is the last one. So again it has this floral pattern and these butterflies. so maybe the colors won't reach you so well because I'm doing a video, but I will even put pictures after the video is over so that you can have a proper look at all the colors as well. So here were all the envelopes, and I hope you all must have liked some or the other, and if you all want it, you can definitely put it in the comment section down below, and you can even say if you want to change some color or something. I would definitely do that. So if you want it, please do comment in the comment section down below and give it a thumbs up if you like my video, and please do subscribe to my channel guys, and keep sharing with your friends and family members. Thank you so much for watching.